Today we will see the new app. We have developed a stock picking app from Pragmatic. This is only using for the enterprise edition. In version 19, we are releasing. So the main purpose of this particular app is to visualize the stock pickings on map view with fleet and driver integration in the deliveries. So the main challenge in deliveries. So if I go to inventory operations deliveries, in the deliveries normally we are able to see the list of deliveries and we are checking the stage. It's in ready stage or it's done stage. That's it. We are able to manage that level only. But what we are doing, we are adding the map view here. So it's easy to visualize how many deliveries today you have, which area you are easily see in map view. Okay, that is the purpose we are adding the map view of the deliveries. Okay, I will show you the map view, what are all the features are there. Before that, one another feature I need to explain. So in the deliveries, we are adding, we integrate this delivery with fleet module also. Okay, once you choose, you are able to choose the vehicle number from here. Once you choose the vehicle number, the driver will be automatically updated, the vehicle number and driver we are adding. Okay, so it's easy for you to track this particular driver, how many deliveries today they are planning, so you are able to track. And from this fleet, how many deliveries you are planning, so it's very easy to track. That purpose we are implementing this. And one more thing, if we validate this particular thing, then automatically the particular vehicle number will be read only. Okay, this flow. So what we need to do, I will show you in the map view. So normally in deliveries, we are not able to see the map view. We are developing this. So click the map. So you are easily see how many deliveries are there, and easy to handle the list of map view. Okay. So if I click this, you are able to see there are two deliveries planning for the day. So both are assigned, and the customer name, reference, each and everything you are able to see. Okay. So the source document, name, address, reference, customer, schedule date, source document, and state. This is done, already completed. This is assigned. So we are able to see all the details. And this is one in the particular Cooper Square area. Another one is San Francisco. You are able to see all the details. Okay. So, and one more thing, this is the deliveries. We have multiple filters also available. Okay. So, for example, I need to type BMW is one of the fleet I added. Just I filter based on the vehicle number. We are able to filter using this particular vehicle. These are all the deliveries for planning in this particular area. Okay, up to this we are able to filter, and also we are able to filter based on the drivers also. So if I click, so you are able to see it will be filtered based on the driver. So this is the complete picture of the module. So I just to summarize what all the features are available. We integrate fleet module with the deliveries, so it's easy for tracking. And we are also adding the map view. Using this map view, you are able to track how many deliveries we are planning and which area you are able to easily see, and also you are able to click and see all the details about the delivery. Okay.